welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. So this is a day number 4, and yes, for all you newcomers and subscribers, I am doing a birthday saga for the entire month of November. I will be uploading 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, and I'm going to be doing it for the entire month because it's my birthday. So I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. This was a very nice, I don't know what to call this look, champagne blue. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out, trust me. But this makeup tutorial is day number 4, and I am so excited. Very glowy and nice. I just have on my bun because I didn't glue down my wig. So yeah, but pretty much this is the makeup tutorial for day number 4. I hope you enjoy. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below, and also turn on that bell because I'll be uploading every day, so you don't want to miss when I upload. Okay, so turn on that bell. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, and let's jump into this video. Alrighty. Okay guys, so you see that I did one side off camera because I really didn't know where I was going with this look, to be honest. I just turned on the camera and I was like, you know what, let me just create something, and this is what I came up with. It's gonna look better, you know, when I put on my foundation, all of that. And this is the palette that I use, very pretty. And I also take a little bit of the Patrick Star. This is his first collab with MAC. I still love it. I will never stop loving it. So yeah, did one side off camera, and I'm going to show you how I get this look. Okay, so first I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start off with this navy blue color right here. I love it so much. It's very pigmented, and to be honest, I got this on Amazon. I don't remember how much I paid for it, to be honest. I got it like over a year ago. So what I did, I just pat it on right here at the outer corner. And I just pat a couple on, you know, just to get it really like pigmented. It's still pigmented, but I want to get it really extremely pigmented. Then you can see that I did not put any transition color. Yeah, I did not. So I'm just going to pack it on just like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and use another brush. And is this the brush I use? I don't want to mix it up. Okay, yes, this is the brush. And then I'm going to blend it out. And while I'm blending it out, I'm taking this color right here. It's an orange, burnt orange color. And I'm just putting a little bit just to blend out that navy blue. And I'm going to bring it on top. So you see how you have that color already, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and use that and blend it out. So pretty much I'm going to have 2 brushes in my hand. I'm going to go back and forth with the blue because I really don't want to bring the blue all the way in. I just want to leave it right here and a little bit onto my eyelid. Then I'm going to take that burnt orange color and just take my time. I'm lightly blending it out, and trust me, it took a long time because blending is a no joke. And I'm also going to bring it all the way into here and bring it all the way up. So you can see how this eye is like all the way up. So I'm putting that burnt orange all the way here, and then bringing it in, just like that, and I'm going to feather it up. So I'm not going to put too much color right on top of here, so I'm just going to feather it out. I just came up with this idea, I don't know why I came up with such an idea. So yeah, pretty much that's what I'm doing until I get to where I want to get. Okay, so next I'm going to go into this pink color right here. This is like fusion pink. And I'm going to take it onto the same burnt orange color. It's the same brush. And I'm going to go ahead and just take my time and blend it out. And burnt orange. I don't know what color it's gonna come up with, but this is how it's gonna look. And yeah, pretty much I'm going back and forth with the pink, but I'm kind of focusing the pink only on right here. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. And then if it's too pink, like right now, I mix the burnt orange on top of the pink so it could fade out a little bit. So right now I am going back into that burnt orange color and just feather it out. And also if your navy blue is kind of fading, go back, which I'm going to do right now, and just put it a little bit up here. Okay, so now it's looking like the other one. What do you guys think? Alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and cut the lid, and I use the Tarte Shape Tape in tan sand, and it put a little bit on the back of my hand. So now that this one looks higher than this one, as you can see, but I'll fix it after. So what I did, I went into this shade right here. It's very champagne color. I don't know if you could see it on camera, but this is the shade I use. And I'm going to take it onto a flat top brush. So pretty. And I'm going to pat it on. I'm not swiping, I'm just patting it on. Okay, so next I'm going to go into the Patrick Star collection. This one is called Patrick Star Glam AF. And I'm going to go ahead and take that same brush, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off. And I'm going to go into this color right here. I don't know what color is this, to be honest. I think this one is called, to be honest, I don't know. But this is a color that I'll be chosen. And I'm going to go ahead and just pat it on. And it's very, very, very champagne-y. It's really pretty. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and just clean up the lines because the lines are not straight. And when you're doing cut lid, your hand has to be so steady. And mine is not steady. So I'm just going to go ahead and just clean it up with that burnt orange color right on top. How they looking so far? Like, what do you think? Are they even? I think this one is higher. Oh, hell yeah. This one is higher than this one. It is so hard. I think, yeah. It is higher. Help me, Lord Jesus. Okay, guys, so next I'm going to go back into the Patrick Star, and I'm going to take that same shimmery color that I put onto my eyelid, and I'm going to put it right here under my brow bone, just to get that highlight. Okay, so next I'm going to take my NYX, and I'm not going to do any wing. As you can see, I did onto this eye, so I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Okay, so next I'm going to put on some very simple lashes off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take my Clinique Moisturizing Skin Foliate Hydration Cream. Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and take that, and this feels so good on my skin. Oh my god, when I put it on, I'm like, wow. It is so good. And it smells really nice. I love it. Alright, so next I'm going to go into my Kat Von D Lock Foundation. And I am in the shade Deep 78 Neutral. And you guys know how thick this foundation is, and I love it so much. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep, and this one is the Revolution. I showed you this one that I used yesterday, so I'm gonna mix those two together again. So first, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Tarte, and then I'm gonna take the Revolution in C12 on top. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go into my Laura Mercier. As I said, I need another one, and I'm definitely gonna get the bigger one because I love this so much. And I'm gonna go ahead and just set. So next I'm gonna take my NYX in Mocha and do a little contour. You guys, I just love powder contour. I have the Fenty stick, and I always grab for the powder contour. I really don't know why, but I feel like the powder contour look more natural on me than the other one, and I just love the powder contour. It looks so nice. I love it. I just love it. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back into the Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna go ahead and just cut that powder contour to make it look more sharp. So you guys know the drill. I am not gonna bake. I'm gonna take my MAC, and I'm gonna go ahead and just brush it off. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back into the palette, and I'm gonna take the same colors that I did on top. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the bottom. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go back into my NYX wing liner, and I'm gonna go ahead and just bring out the wing, like really down a little bit more, kind of make it look like it have a cat eye. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just like that. So I'm gonna leave it right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of shimmer into there. So I'm gonna go back into this shade. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. This one is the Revolution. So now I am gonna go into, I'm not gonna put on any blush today. No blush today. I'm gonna go into my Fenty, and this one is Girl Next Door and Cheek Freak. I don't know why I can't open these stuff anymore. Like, gosh, open. So I'm gonna mix both of them together. Put it right here. Oh, look at that. Oh, bitch. Look at that. Oh, this is so good. Wow. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my Lena cosmetic. This one is in Slage. And then I'm gonna take my pencil that I got from Amazon. And this one is in chocolate. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix myself up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to tune in again tomorrow for more of me. And don't forget to click that red subscribe button and that bell because I'll be uploading every single day. And I just love the way how this makeup look turned out. This is so pretty, so flawless. Yeah, I'm doing a lot of very dark smoky eye and I am loving this. I'm really loving this dark smoky eye and nice champagne lid. Very pretty, very nice. And I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to let me know in the comment section what makeup look you want me to do. Okay, let's talk, let's be friends, let's be family, and let me know what you want to do. This is very saucy and nice. You could go out on a date, have dinner. This is very cool, very nice. I love this makeup look. I really do. And I hope you do too. So yeah, I will definitely see you again tomorrow.